Hey YouTube, I just finished installing a Idatalink setup for this 2008 Denali. I'm just gonna quickly go through and show you with the demo a little bit, just to kind of show you what it can do. Oh, forgot to unlock it. It's a fairly easy install, so let's go ahead and turn it on. Gonna boot up. It takes a little bit to boot up, so my apologies for that. Just to speed it up, that's okay. Let me go ahead and lower it down. So basically, there's a normal DVD player. It's an AVH-2550 NEX. It's supported by Idatalink, so it'll display like the gauges and things like that. Not all Pioneers are supported, so this is one of those ones that are. I went ahead and set up everything to where everything is normal, like the seek up, seek down, volume up, volume down. The cool feature about this is when you press this, I set it up this way, it'll take you to the gauges, and if you press one, it'll show display a different one. You have the boost, not turbo, but just cool. If you hold source, it'll also show your tire pressure. I also set it to where if you open the door, it'll show. You can see right there, I just opened the door. Overall, it's pretty self-explanatory. I ordered the bypass for the video feature. This also have a overhead which is retained. So whatever this one's showing, it'll show on the top screen. Let me see. The 3-piece kit is about $180-200. Since this is a loaded Denali, it supports like the Bose, the XM, the OnStar, and things like that. I'm gonna post the parts that you need. Like I said, it's about $180-200. You will need somebody with the Idatalink account to flash the unit. It comes in the universal form, but you have to flash it to a specific vehicle, and you will need an account from Idatalink to do that. So if you buy from somebody that's an Idatalink distributor, they can do that for you. Just give them the information on the car, year, make, and model, and things like that. So overall, it's a pretty cool little thing. Let me see, hold it back to source, it'll go back. We can do the AM FM. I did remove a pack old harness from here, so which wasn't really working that well. Which is the picture. It doesn't really come close to doing what this Idatalink does. So to me, it's worth the $200, honestly. So if you ever decide to do that, just make sure the unit that you buy is Idatalink supported. Not all of them are, because it'll have an Idatalink connection in the back. But yeah, that's really it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment. Like I said, this is just a quick demo. It's pretty self-explanatory. Like I said, it's not too hard. Yeah, that's what it looks like. So I found out you can change the gauges. Let's go to it. See how like you have the boost and vacuum. If you hold it, you can choose whichever you want. First setup is that, nothing fancy. Second setup, boost vacuum. So cool little feature.